water comes in from this hydrant, then goes to a PVC. So this is all Schedule 40 PVC. And we have it gridded out to the greenhouse. So what we've done is it comes up, it gets teed down. So here's a hydrant here. I can tap into this if I need to water over here. We found that we didn't really need this one that much. Water also comes over here, down here, and then this actually goes to outside. So I have a water hydrant right on the outside of this greenhouse as well. I turn it off for the winter, obviously, so it doesn't freeze. And the water basically just comes along the top of the top beam, the main supporting beam of the greenhouse. And then we have hydrants at each spot. So here's a hydrant with a quick coupler. I can tap into that and water from back here if I choose to. And generally, if I have stuff on the top shelves here, it's easier to water from back here.